Gurman says that this first headset will be more expensive than those from rivals. And of course, the Quest 2 starts at what, $250, $300?
They'll be the AirPods Max of VR headsets.
Yeah. That's less than a hobby.
Jordy Richie, everybody.
Previously on TWiT. Hands-on photography.
And today I want to share with you just a simple couple tips to get yourself squared away to do a self-portrait versus doing a selfie.
Tech News Weekly.
There's this side of Nextdoor that's sort of the warm, fuzzy side where neighbors trade tips on finding a plumber, or you post your lost cat. And then there was this side of it that I think people are increasingly becoming aware of, which is that it's used as a tool sometimes of racial profiling, discrimination.
All about Android.
The way that Beeper works is we run a server, like in this case on your Mac, but the server re-encrypts the messages with an encryption key that you set up, and then it sends it to the Beeper servers, and we can't decrypt the messages. In fact, it's even better than iMessage. It's more secure than iMessage.
TWiT. Why didn't I get your mass text? I'm in your contacts.